Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the simple, profound fact of your own presence. The weight of your body supported by the chair or the floor. The subtle, constant dance of sensation across your skin. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. In this moment, you have already arrived. And I invite you to simply listen to the sound of my voice, allowing it to become a gentle guide, a soft current that carries you deeper into the landscape of your own awareness. You can notice your breathing, not trying to change it, not judging it. Simply observing the natural rhythm that has been with you since your very first breath. The cool air entering, the warm air leaving, and with each cycle, a gentle invitation to release, to let go, to arrive more fully here. Perhaps your mind is busy, filled with thoughts of the past or plans for the future, and that is perfectly okay. That is simply what minds do, and you can notice those thoughts not as distractions, but as clouds passing through the vast, clear sky of your awareness. You are not the clouds. You are the sky. Spacious. Now, I invite you to recall a moment, however brief, when you felt a sense of pure presence. It might have been watching a sunset where the colors were so vivid time seemed to stop. Or listening to a piece of music that completely captured your attention. Or feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, and for just an instant, there was only that feeling. Find that memory now. And as you recall it, notice where in your body you feel the echo of that peace, that simple, uncomplicated awareness. It might be a softening in your chest, a warmth in your hands, a quiet stillness behind your eyes. I let go of the need to search for peace elsewhere because I can feel it blooming within me, right here, right now. It is in the silence between my thoughts It is in the pulse of life within my veins. It is in the simple miracle of sensation. My mind is becoming a clear, still pool. The ripples of thought settle. The sediment of worry sinks. And what remains is a perfect, reflective stillness. In this stillness, I know everything I need to know. In this stillness, I am everything I need to be. I am not doing awareness. I am being awareness. It is my natural state. It is the fundamental ground of my being. And I am returning to it now, effortlessly, like a leaf settling on a quiet pond. Each sound I hear, the distant hum, the rustle, the silence itself, is not an interruption, but a part of the present moment symphony. I listen without labeling, without judging, simply allowing. Thoughts may come, and I greet them with a gentle, curious awareness. I have to Luton, those said, and I let it pass, like a bird crossing the vast sky of my mind, leaving no trace. I am not entangled. I am free. With every heartbeat, I am reminded, this is life. His pulse, oh, his rhythm. It is happening now, and I am fully available to it. I release the heavy cloak of yesterday's stories. I unfasten the anxious harness of tomorrow's plans, and I stand, light and unburdened, in the luminous truth of today. This day, this hour, this very minute. My breath is my anchor, tethering me to the now. And I notice how each breath is brand new, a fresh beginning, a constant invitation to start again, right here. The present moment is not a location to reach, it is a depth to sink into, and I am sinking now. Deeper into the richness of what is, into the texture of silence, and into the color of stillness. I am aware of awareness itself. That conscious space within which all my experiences arise. That silent witness that is always here, always present, always at peace. These caves, I am that. Peace is not a distant goal. It is the very fabric of this moment when I stop struggling against it. and I stop struggling now. I trust this moment completely. I trust that it contains exactly what I need. I trust the intelligence of life unfolding right here, right now, through me. The boundary between me and the present moment dissolves. There is no separation. I am the awareness of the room. I am the feeling of the air. I am the sound of the silence. All am one with the now. And from this unity, a profound gratitude arises naturally. Gratitude for this breath, for this heartbeat, for this capacity to experience the miracle of existence. My heart fills with a warm, silent thank you for the gift of here and now. And one, you can begin to reconnect with the physical space around you, noticing the sounds in the room, feeling the support beneath you, carrying that deep anchored stillness with you. And when you are ready, you can test your anchor. Gently press the spot where you placed your hand earlier. And notice how instantly, effortlessly, that feeling of serene presence returns. This is your resource, always available, a direct pathway back to the now. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious,